Today, I'm going to show you how to make the coleslaw that I use when making barbecue, especially things like pork butt and ribs. And it is easy to make. The reason this coleslaw is so easy to make is you make it just in one bowl. We dump everything in for the dressing and make sure that tastes good. And then we dump in the cabbage and carrots and everything like that. And I'm using a pre-made coleslaw mix for that today. We do that all the time. So our first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon of stone ground mustard, about a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we're gonna whisk this up. Full disclosure, this is my wife's recipe, and I've had people ask for it in videos before because they've seen me use this coleslaw. Well, here's the full recipe. We're gonna give this a taste now, and the best way to do that is with just a little piece of the cabbage. That's nice. So this is a vinegary-based coleslaw. That's what we like. If you like it a little different, you can add some more mayo, but this is what we like with barbecue. Now I'm gonna add my cabbage mixture. It's got green cabbage, red cabbage, it's got some carrots. This is a 9-ounce bag we added to this. Get this all mixed up in here. Sometimes coleslaw, you'll see it, as I like to call it, sloppy. It's got a lot of juice on it. To me, this has just enough. It's not going to be dripping everywhere. All the flavor is on the cabbage. And if you're putting it on something like pulled pork sandwiches or anything else, it's perfect. It's also just great as a side dish. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions. Mix these in here. Let's give this a quick taste. That is just right. Tangy, a little bit of barbecue flavor in there, a little bit of sweetness from that honey. Gotta tell you, I love this stuff. One of the keys to this though is, now that it's done, cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit there for at least a 1/2 hour, better 3 or 4 hours. All those flavors just sort of grab onto the cabbage, and at the end of that time, they taste amazing. So there it is. My coleslaw recipe, which is actually my wife's coleslaw recipe, which many people have asked for after seeing it in videos, and well, now you have it. Go out and enjoy.